Hey dolls, gents, friends, and family. This vlog is going to be brought to you by BABALABAGS Co. All the information is going to be down below, and guess what? Also a discount code for you. Yes, your girl got you a discount code. They have bags, shoes, clothes, jewelries, wallets, belts. These are the shoes that I received. As you can see, they are Nikes. I'm so excited. They will help you with the sizes. I am a 9 in tennis shoes, and I think she said that was a European size 39. I was kind of skeptical because sometimes when I order, I tell them I'm a 9 or like a 41, and I always get the wrong size, and then they don't fit, and then I can't wear the shoes. So fingers crossed, because I love these, y'all. Look, absolutely love them. Look at the splat, look at the cat. There's a paw print on the front. Oh my God, they are pink and black. I am super excited. I hope I can fit these shoes because I'm in love. I am in love. They feel very lightweight in my hand. We're definitely going to test that out. Look at that. I love it. I love everything about it. The Nike check, the pink splatter. I'm checking the size right now. Oh, okay. I'm a little nervous, y'all, with the size that I see, but excellent communication. Me and this company had excellent communication. She verified everything with me, verified the size, address, and everything with me. So, oh my gosh, super excited to try these on. There is the Nike tag on the inside. I'm showing y'all the inside of the shoe. So let's put these on, y'all. Let's put them on. Yes, I am super excited. They fit, y'all, and I even have an inch of a little bit of room. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell y'all how excited I am. I'm going to put my socks on and tie them up, but I am so excited. I got my fit on, my shoes on. Your girl finna step out and go do what she need to do, y'all. Thank you so much, BABALABAGS Co. Oh my gosh, I hope that I can collab with you guys again because I love these shoes. I love everything about these shoes. They feel comfortable. They feel lightweight. I love that they're stylish. I love the design on them. Let's get started with this day, you guys. I'll check back in with you at the end. Y'all forgive me, but I'm trying to figure out this phone holder that my sister made me get. Like, this is too close. There is no phone holder that works in this car. That might work a little bit, but I don't like that. I bought this phone holder. My phone is heavy. There is no phone holder that works in my car. I think it's supposed to go right here, but that is like right in my face for me to put it right there on my visor. But this is a visor phone holder. I have bought so many phones. If y'all have a Honda Accord, the dash is made funny. I don't like the phone holder in my vents because it blocks the AC, and it also pulls your vent out. You know what I'm saying? So what kind of phone holder could I get? The suction ones don't suction. South Florida is just entirely too hot, and the suction ones won't stay on my window. I'll be driving down the highway and it falls. It will fall down while I'm driving. It won't stay on the dash because it's too hot. I don't know what phone holder to get for the car. Like, it's super stressful. Like, I have it over on the passenger side right now, and it looks odd. It looks stupid on the passenger side. My sister has this, but she has an SUV. I bought it because I was riding with her one day, and I saw she had it, and I thought, but I am so tired of trying to buy phone things for the car. None of the phone things work. Y'all have to tell me. I don't know. Nothing works. The Honda dash and the screen of the car, the windshield, nothing works. That's the one thing I could say about this car. See, people have stuff in their car. I don't know how y'all get it to work. Y'all gonna have to help me out because I have no idea. I'm going to run to the store. Family Dollar and, not Family Dollar, Five Below and a Dollar Tree are both in this plaza. So I'm gonna go into both right now. Let's get the phone off of here. All right, friends, so I am bringing you guys in Five Below with me. I'm going to grab some trinkets for the Glam Kids. School is getting ready to start back, and I like for them to have unusual stuff that other kids may not have. Do y'all see the notepads? There is a Pop-Tart notepad, a bologna, y'all. A bologna and an Eggo Waffles notepad. I cannot with Five Below. I absolutely love these. These are erasers, the Pop-Tart erasers. I like to grab them a couple of things for back to school, and I usually get them clothes. They're getting kind of big now, so I'm probably going to have to let their parents handle the clothes part, and I just handle the school supplies and the backpacks. If you have someone in college, look at these adorable items for the college room, the college dorm. I don't even want to call it Five Below because it ain't even Five Below no more. It's 555 below, whatever, but they still in there. Like, they still have some really nice stuff. They have the Peanuts collections out, the Smurf. I was gonna get a Smurf bag, but it didn't have Smurfette on it, and I wanted a bag with Smurfette on the front. But they have Rainbow Bright. They have the cars. They have a lot of stuff for back to school. Now these are actually $5. These bags, as you can see, there's shorts, there's boxers, all kinds of school supplies and everything at Five Below. So if you have not been yet, I would suggest checking them out, even for your home office. If you want to redo your office, teachers back to school, or the corporate world, they have a lot of nice things out in this store for back to school, for office, for college dorms, for trinkets, for any and everything, actually, even for your bedroom. If you don't have a Five Below in your area, not sure what to say. I don't know if you can shop online. All right, and I am back home, and it is nail maintenance day. So you see me going under my nail with the drill. I am cleaning my nails out, making sure there's no dirt, no gunk, no splits, no splats, no tears, no rips, no openings. And then I am going to go in with a layer of builder gel, which I have told y'all before, but if you're new to my channel, I'll link the other videos in here on how I do my nail maintenance and do it with builder gel. It keeps your nails clean underneath. It keeps food, dirt, and gunk from getting stuck underneath. It also keeps your nails from separating from the acrylic, and you will understand this if you're trying to grow your nails out. After you get a certain length, your nails will start to separate from the acrylic. And if you want to stop that, you have to put something underneath. You can put acrylic, you can put gel, you can put builder gel. You have to put something underneath. You will see me take the paper towel and wipe underneath. Before you go in with the builder gel, you need to make sure dust, everything you just filed, drilled from underneath the nail, is wiped off. Okay? You have to make sure. So I'm getting my lamp ready here, getting my builder gel ready here so I can tend to the nail. So any questions y'all have, anything y'all want to see, put it down below. right, so I got everything set up. I'm opening a new bottle of builder gel. I just get it from Amazon. You can get any kind. It doesn't have to, and it's called a base. Builder gel base. Y'all see the bottle here. It doesn't matter who it's made by. I like a thick builder gel. Sometimes you get them and they're not that thick. I prefer mine to be very, very thick. That's just me. Okay, Modelones has one. They're $7.99, $8.99. They're all different prices, but it is not expensive at all. And I just go under each nail with a very thick, secure layer of builder gel, making sure to get the edges. The edges or sides, see me there? Right there. The edges or sides of the nail where you may be able to get water in between. You want to make, that's the main priority, is the edges and the sides of the nails. And because my nails are long and curved, and builder gel can be like polish, it can move, it can run, I'm gonna do the 4 fingers first. You see me here getting the edges? Get the edges, seal your edges. I'm gonna do the 4 fingers first and then cure it for a little bit, and I'll go back in and do the thumb. Okay, so I did the 4 fingers just so it can kind of cure a little bit, so when I get ready to do the thumb, it won't run. And then I'm going to do the thumb. I thought I bought pink. I like a color under my nails, but this is clear, but it's okay. You can get clear, you can get pink. I'm thinking about putting glitter under my nails, maybe halfway. I would love to put glitter under the entire nail, but let me tell y'all the problem with that. The problem with putting glitter under the entire nail is then it becomes hard to see. If I get a crack or an opening or a split, it will be harder to see until a water mold grows. So I've been thinking about putting glitter halfway. What y'all think? I'm gonna try it. Also, glitter is very hard to drill from underneath your nails. And if you're trying to grow your nails out, you have to be careful drilling that glitter out, that you don't drill your entire nail out, because I've done that before too. So I don't know. I'm thinking about putting glitter underneath, but it won't be underneath the entire nail. Hey guys, so it is the end of the day. I've run my errands and I absolutely love these shoes. Just in case the flash is taking it off, like I told y'all, they are pink and black. Y'all know I love pink. I got like 2 compliments on the shoes while I was in the store. 2 people told me they really like my shoes. I love the designs on the shoes, the paw prints. They are very comfortable. I do wear my tennis shoes with socks. I don't know if some people do or some people don't. But yes, and I have the no-show socks on. But I absolutely love these. Let me take y'all around to the side again. I mean, they have all the little knickknacks on it, and I absolutely love that. They are comfortable. They are very cushiony, and yeah, I have enjoyed wearing them. All the links and everything for the shoes is going to be down below. If you guys have any questions about the shoes or the company, definitely hit me up. I have all the information for these particular shoes on there. Do not forget that they have tons of other things. If you're not into tennis shoes, they do have tons of other things you can shop their page and purchase. So I thank them for sending me these. I am hoping that I can collab and work with them again in the future. But these are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.